Man, so dark and rainy, not the greatest weather to do a walk-around video of this 2022 GMC Sierra Ultimate. But luckily, we have a photo studio here at Scarff Ford, so we're still in business. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. You can see the ultimate version of the GMC Sierra Denali. It's pretty much like a Cadillac Escalade with a pickup bed. A little bit more understated than the Escalade, not quite as much bling, but a little bit more bling than your average run-of-the-mill pickup truck. This thing is absolutely beautiful inside and out. We recently took it on trade. Let's dive in. For a power plant, this has a 6.2 liter V8 pumping out, I think it's 420 horsepower if I remember correctly. Not too far from what we find in the Corvette, actually. It shares some lineage. Obviously the engine in the Corvette is tuned for Corvette duty. This is tuned for truck duty, not quite as much horsepower, but similar bones. And it sounds absolutely amazing when you get on the throttle in this thing. It's not only quick, but it has that amazing V8 sound that you'd expect from a 6.2 liter V8, also found in the Corvette. We got nice chrome accents wherever we look. LED lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I like the dark tinted grille. Chrome mirror caps, retractable running boards, beautiful baseball glove stitching on the interior, this nice textured leather, open pore wood trim. It truly is the ultimate Denali. Beautiful contrasting colors on the seats. We have more of that baseball stitching, nice saddle leather, contrast stitching. We have contrasting colors as well. And it says, then we have the Denali Ultimate insignia right there on the seat. Beautiful luxury packed interior, heated steering wheel, completely digital gauge cluster, gigantic screen for the infotainment system. That's a loud engine. Good type of loud. We have the infotainment system completely powered by Google. Google is venturing into automotive operating systems, powering the infotainment system, which is a great idea. Car manufacturers are great at the mechanical bits, not quite good at being tech companies. So why not one of the biggest and greatest tech companies in the world handle the tech in the automobiles? And that's what we're seeing here with this Google infotainment system. It's powered by Google Maps. We have all sorts of cool features like these fantastic trailering apps, which is going to make your life so much easier when towing a trailer. Obviously with that 6.2 liter V8, this thing is a towing and hauling machine. Completely digital gauge cluster. We have a digital rearview mirror, so when you flip it up, you have a complete unobstructed view behind you. Moonroof, nice roof liners, kind of like almost like an Alcantara type material on the headliner. Integrated brake controller, heated and ventilated front seats, blind spot, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. We also have a graphical heads-up display, kind of hard to see on camera, but basically it projects the speed and other information into the windshield so you don't have to look down off the road to check the gauge cluster to see how fast you're going. And with 4 doors, it also doubles as a fantastic family vehicle. We have a little storage pocket right in there in the seats. Great idea on Chevy's, on GM's part. A little extra storage underneath the seats as well. And of course you can flip up the seats for additional cargo storage. Heated rear seats. I'm 6'2", I got lots of interior space back here. Very comfortable for full-size adults. If you like music, this is a fantastic sounding Bose audio system. This one also has a hard tonneau cover to keep stuff out of prying eyes and safe in the bed and also out of the elements. If you want to drive your pickup truck on rainy nights like this, it will be nice to have that tonneau cover. It's also with a locking tailgate that keeps everything protected. This has a multi-function tailgate. So the tailgate turns into a step, which is awesome. We have an integrated bed liner. And check out this cool accessory. You're gonna be the favorite at the tailgate party. We have these integrated waterproof speakers so you can hook up your audio system with a Bluetooth. You can play your music library on your phone, stream music, and have some nice music for those tailgate parties. Pretty nice indeed. Well, there you have it, a beautiful example of a 2022 Denali Ultimate, the ultimate version of the Sierra pickup truck, one of the ultimate pickup trucks, period, for that matter. This thing is beautiful. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years. We sell new Fords. Sorry, GM. Ford's still the best, the Ford F-Series is still the best-selling pickup truck in America for 48 years. But if you don't want an F-150, if you don't want an F-Series, well, this is a nice choice too. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. We have love for all vehicles here at Scarff Ford. We sell lots of new and lots of pre-owned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.